In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to write a newsletter. Creating a newsletter can be a fantastic way to share valuable content with your audience, and leveraging AI tools like Claude can make the process much smoother and efficient. Before diving in with Claude, you first want to lay some groundwork so you know exactly what direction you're heading in. Begin by deciding what your newsletter is all about. So before you even open Claude, think carefully about a few key components. Firstly, determine the topic of your newsletter. What is it that you want to share or discuss? Next, consider your audience. Who are you writing for? Understanding your readers will greatly influence the content and style of your newsletter. You'll also want to be clear about the goal of your newsletter. Are you aiming to educate your readers, inform them about something new, promote a product or service, or simply entertain them? This will guide the tone and structure of your content. Additionally, think about how often you plan to send out this newsletter. Is it going to be a daily update, a weekly insight, or a monthly roundup? Finally, decide on the tone of your newsletter. Will it be friendly and approachable, professional and authoritative, casual, or perhaps even persuasive? These decisions will shape how you communicate with your readers. Once you have a clear idea of what you want from your newsletter, it's time to open Claude. This is where things get exciting as you start to see your ideas come to life. When you're ready, give Claude AI a clear directive so it understands exactly what you need. A well-crafted prompt is crucial here. For example, you might say, write a weekly newsletter about AI tools for small business owners. Keep it friendly and easy to understand. Include a catchy subject line, a short introduction, 3 useful AI tips, 1 practical example, and a call to action. Keep it around 600 words. This prompt is informative yet concise, guiding Claude to produce content that aligns perfectly with your goals. Be specific about the structure and elements you'd like included, as this helps ensure that Claude meets your expectations. By specifying the type of content you want, you're setting Claude up for success. Feel free to tweak and adjust based on the specific needs or nuances you have in mind. For instance, if you want more emphasis on practical examples or need a different word count, simply adjust your prompt accordingly. The more precise your instructions, the better the output. Using Claude AI to write your newsletter can save you time and fuel your creativity. But remember, the key to great AI-generated content is a clear idea of what you want and a well-structured prompt to guide the process.